Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ICICI Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your ICICI Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in ICICIBank.com and make a search. The official page of ICICI Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right side of the page. From the drop down, choose any one of the account that you would like to log into and tap on it. On the next page, enter your user ID and password associated with your ICICI Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the link that says Forgot User ID or Password option. This is how you can log into your ICICI Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.